What's up, guys? Brendan from Market Makers. Guys, happy Sunday. Bitcoin beheaded. The descent begins, okay? The road to 25K, my friends. I'm going to show you why I believe the descent is beginning now and why we may have one more last-ditch effort to pump out of the kill box and try to make our way up to this corrective market level. Because as you know, if we get up to that corrective market level, you are no longer in a bear market, okay? So don't be surprised if we see a mega whale pump. But guys, let's get right into the price action. I showed you yesterday what happened, right? We kept making bearish patterns over and over, and we broke one, and then we got a whale pump, and then we had our triple top, right? And then they reversed a triple top with yet another whale pump. I gave you the indicators. I gave you the training for those indicators, guys. I'm trying to keep our militia well armed with data. Okay, so what happened when we left? I told you we have a head and shoulders right here, right? There's your right shoulder. It broke the neckline. We got some descent. Didn't come down far enough to our target of 44,747. We're in this chop. So what's next? Well, let's look at our support and resistance levels and let's see what we can see, guys. Let's throw on some GAN and let's throw on some Ichi and let's see how we're doing on support. So Ichi, you fell through the support cloud, you lost your moving averages, you're descending, okay? That's obviously clear. You're between the 45.2 level and the 46.3. I expect this to start moving down some more and come down to this 45.2 level area, okay? That would be the next move that I would expect to see. Now, what did I say about a pump? I said they can pump this anytime they want, right? And they can. They can pump this anytime they want. You guys saw it yesterday in the videos, how many whale pumps they did. But understand where they have to get to try to really increase FOMO. They tried the pump here. That was a pump, okay? And then they sold here. And if you don't believe me, it's very easy to track. Look at your relative volume. Look at that spike, right? So that was their pump up, which was 3.6 times out of trend to try to hit that 48K level that I gave you over a week ago, guys. They hit the 48K level, the top of the kill box, and then look what they did. They flipped positions. You see the institutional candle, and look how tiny that volume is, guys. There's no candle for the volume, right? Look at this institutional candle. They flip positions at 3.1 times out of trend, and they dump. They pump it. Retail, you see the blue, you see all the blue here? That's all retail FOMOing in, watching 200K videos, not knowing any better because Bitcoin's going to melt your face. You better get in now because Bitcoin's melting your face, right? That's what all the thumbnails say. 100K, 200K, 20K Ethereum. That's a new one. So what happened here? Then they dumped, okay? The institutions dumped, and now the price is rolling down like it's done over and over again in trend, in pattern, okay? But don't be surprised if you see this. Don't be surprised if you just start seeing Bitcoin consolidating. At some point, boom, try to hit this line again. If they try again, what they're trying to do, guys, I told you market psychology, they want to get in this zone. Yes, there's more volume in this zone, okay? There's more volume in this zone. If they can get in this zone and get the FOMO up, they could really maximize the pain when they turn this around and dump on the market. Guys, this is us versus them in the sense they control the asset. You have to understand when you're trying to make profit, nobody is friends. They don't care if they wreck you. They hope you hodl. They hope you bought in here hodling, so you have to sell at a loss, thereby propelling the market further down when they dump it, okay? You got to understand market psychology. We are in a bear market. If we can get up to above this corrective market line, which is at 52K, then you're in a corrective market. You're still not in a bull market. But they know that if they can get up here, they can maximize the pain, okay? And I fully expect if they do get up here to make more bearish shapes because you can't support the price up here if you can't support the price down here on this ascension, and I doubt you could support the price up here. Retail hasn't bought in. We look at the data on Glassnode, we look at our other subscription metrics, okay, and also just an obvious observation. Okay, so I fully expect the price to keep descending. Let's look at the 4-hour chart and see if we can see any new patterns forming. 4-hour chart right off the bat, guys. What do you see? You see my volatility trend lines here? This is volatility. These aren't normal trend lines. You know I track volatility very, very closely, and I see an ascending wedge. Do you guys see that line here? I'll draw it for you. This is an ascending wedge here. There's your top, and there's your bottom, okay? And you see it coming to a point up here, right? Let me get rid of that. So that's the line. Just take a look at that. Look where the price is right now. Let me zoom in for you. the price is about to break the ascending wedge. So I pre-mapped this out for you. If it falls out of this wedge, and again, how you measure this, guys, is you just grab a trend line, okay? Find your base of your wedge, which is right here, and tackle the top of it. And there you go, and put it right where the price would break. So if they keep letting this price descend, you're going to 38,341 for Bitcoin. That's a price target. That is not a guarantee. It is a price target, but you see the bearish patterns over and over again, guys, that keep getting printed, right? Over and over again. And guess what? We talked about this yesterday, but you have a left shoulder, you have a head, and if this price does come down and gets stuck in this channel right here and prints candles, what are you printing? Another head and shoulders. That's what you're printing. And again, that's a bearish pattern. And if it breaks a neckline, that's also dumping, guys. This is why I said the price is not supported in this market. This is all artificial. Understand that. This is a balloon that they're blowing up with FOMO money, okay? And it's going to pop, and you're going to be left holding the bag if you hold coins here. What you want to see is if the price came up, you'd want to see retail follow, and you want to see us not print shapes. I've said that consistently over and over, but that hasn't happened this whole ascension. We went over that yesterday. Whale pump, whale pump, whale pump, whale pump, whale pump to get to the head. Guys, this is all artificial. It is fake. Do not buy into this bull trap. It is a bull trap, dead cat bounce, however you want to label it. It doesn't matter what the bull maxis, whale shills say. This is not going to 200K right here. The market wants to find a bottom. The price is not supported. Okay, let's look at our... Actually, let's grab a polynomial price prediction while we're here and see what it says we're going to be at. 16 and a half days of data. Has Bitcoin at 39.5, guys. 39.5. I got 38,341 here on a head and shoulders target. Polynomial is saying 39.5 on a trend regression target. Okay, Bitcoin's rolling, guys. You need to pay attention to this because it's rolling down unless they mega pump it. And make sure you check your indicators because you know if it goes up, they're going to be pumping in. It's the whales that are involved, right? So let's look at the daily, see if anything's different. Here's our daily. So as you guys know, this is a lagging indicator, right? But we still have that left shoulder. We still have the head. And as this comes down and prints candles here at this level, or down here with this level where these other candles are, you're printing a right shoulder. And when you drop and break the neckline, you're at 28K Bitcoin, my friends. And you got this information early, and you got it from here. Because as of right now, the price is not being supported. It hasn't been supported in this whole artificial pump. Okay, let's look at some price predictions for two popular alts right now using polynomial trend regression. Let's check out ADA and let's check out Ethereum. Let's see, what do we got first? ADA. ADA is trading at 211 right now. Look for it to start moving back down to $1.37 because that's where it belongs in trend as Bitcoin descends. $1.37 ADA, okay? Ethereum is trading at 3161. Look for it to start moving back down to 2295 as Bitcoin starts descending. And again, guys, they can pump it, but that's artificial still, and it's still going to come down, and it'll come down hard. So you need to stay tuned to this channel. We give you the information, the data, without sugarcoating. No sugarcoating on this channel. Protect your money, protect your wealth. Check out our Discord in the video description. I think you guys would love the channel. We have over 700 people there now. Thank you guys so much. Please like the channel. Please subscribe. Love for you to get our videos. Happy to have you on board, guys. Have a great Sunday.